Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. It's Erfan Ullah, an assistant teacher of Islam and Moral Education, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School, Bonusri, Dhaka. Now, I am going to conduct a Islam and Moral Education class for class 1 student. Our today's topic is question answer 1 and 2, term half yearly 2022. Lecture number 3 is W number also 3. It's my name here. Here is given my mobile number. Okay, my dear students, let's begin. Question number A is, what is said in the Holy Quran about Allah's oneness? The answer is, Allah said about His oneness in the Holy Quran, Allah is the one, He is the eternal, all depend on Him, none is born of Him, nor is He born, there is none like Him. My dear students, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala said in the Holy Quran, in Surah Ikhlas, verse number 1, that is, Qul huwallahu ahad. Say, O Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Allah is only one. So, we have know from here that Allah is only one. There is no other existence with Him. He is totally one. He is powerful in His creation. So you have to memorize this answer, that Allah said about His oneness in the Holy Quran. Allah is the one, He is the eternal, all depend on Him, none is born of Him, nor is He born, there is none like Him. Then question number 2, that is, what is the meaning of Iman? Describe the 4 qualities of Almighty Allah. The answer is, Iman means faith, to believe. The 4 qualities of Almighty Allah are, number 1, Allah is our creator. We know Allah created us. All creation is created by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. The sun, the moon, the stars, everything is created by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. So, Allah is our creator. Then, number 2, He sees everything. Then, number 3, He knows everything. Everything is known to Him. Then, number 4, He is very kind and merciful. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala said in Surah Fatiha, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. That is, the meaning of this verse is, He is very kindful to His creatures. So, the answer is, Iman means faith, to believe. The 4 qualities of Almighty Allah is, first one is Allah is our creator, then second one is He sees everything, then third one is He knows everything, 4 is He is very kind and merciful. My dear students, our today's SW topic is question number 2. You have to submit your SW following this topic, question number 2. You have to write down your SW following this question. Okay, my dear students, I expect that you have understood today's topic clearly. Keep practicing at home. See you next class, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.